A very warm welcome to all our viewers. Today we are going to make a very special Bengali dish called Potole Dorma or Potole Dolma, as you may choose to call. Potol, as most of you know, means parval or pointed gourd, and Dolma or Dorma means stuffing. Potole dolma can be both vegetarian, niramish or non-vegetarian, amish. In this video, we are cooking the vegetarian style of potole dolma, and the non-vegetarian potole dolma would be coming up shortly. Scrapping of potole is a time-taking process, and it needs a lot of patience to neatly clean the outer green layer. So, take your time at this stage because this is the first and critical step for a good potole dolma. It was the 18th century and Calcutta was the hub of cultural exchanges. The Jews, Parsis, Armenian, Boras, Chinese all came towards Calcutta to make some fast bucks. Most Armenian families living in Calcutta grew grapevines in their houses, not only for the grapes but also for harvesting the leaves to make dolmas, meat and rice wrapped in grape leaves. Later, the grape leaves were substituted by cabbage. The Armenians, being very hospitable community, invited Bengalis for house parties over lunch and dinners. In turn, shared and exchanged recipes. Soon, the food-loving Bongs started experimenting with the Armenian recipes and came out with some fusion food. Potole Dorma or Dolma happens to be one of it. While scooping out the seeds and flesh from the potole, be very careful not to break the potole or rupture the outer skin. You can use a grater, the back of a spoon or knife, whichever comes handy and is comfortable. Do not throw away the seeds and the flesh. We require them for our cooking. Make a paste of the seeds and the flesh of the potole which was scooped out earlier. Add a little water while making the paste. We roughly chop a handful of raisins. The quantity of raisins can be altered basis the taste and liking. Season the potole well with salt and turmeric powder. Massage each potole well both inside and out. For the vegetarian version of potole dorma, the stuffing is of grated coconut or cottage cheese or both. Here we are using grated coconut for our personal taste preference of coconut over cheese. Fry the potole on high heat. The potole needs to be brown from outside but should not get soft. Set aside and now fry the cap similarly. Adding ghee here renders a beautiful aroma to the stuffing. We make the vegetarian filling with grated coconut, chopped raisins and paste of potole seeds and flesh. Add the dry masalas as shown in the video. We have added water earlier as we do not want the coconut gravy and the masalas to get burnt while cooking. Mix all the masalas well and fry till the water evaporates. Fill each potole with a generous amount of stuffing. The smell is so enchanting that it is increasing my appetite. Anyways, let's wait a little more for the gravy to get cooked. Once all the potoles are ready, let's move towards the last bit, that is making the gravy. We have to make a paste of all the dry masalas as shown. Mix all the ingredients first and then a little water and make a fine paste. We have split the green cardamoms so that the smell enhances. Mix all with oil till aroma comes out. Fry the masala well with the oil. Once done, add 2 to 3 bay leaves and mix. We are adding the bay leaf later as we do not want the bay leaf to get crispy. The quantity of water can be increased depending upon the gravy required. When the gravy comes to a boil, gently place one pothole after another and stir a little. Cover and let it cook for 2 to 3 minutes. Open the cover and flip the pothole on the other side and cover again. This is a no garlic, no onion recipe. Though the process of making this dish is a bit tedious and needs efforts, but the end result is truly rewarding. Potole dorma or dolma is a semi-gravy dish. Hope you enjoyed making our style of vegetarian potole dorma. For the non-vegetarian potole dorma, keep watching